Hi, myself Sheikh Anisur Rahman. I am working in Tata Motors Limited. The 3.5 years passed very smoothly for me. Finally, the subject was one of the subject, project management, was very interesting for me. I could really apply that subject in my practical working condition. My project was installation of gear oil storage tank system for handling of oil. Initially, the oil was handling through drum from storage to machine. For this reason, oil most of the time spills on the floor. There was safety concern, the chances of accident. We have taken the data from our safety portal. We find out that most of the cases that due to oil spillage, there is an accident happen, there is near miss happen, and there is also extra manpower involved for handling the oil from storage to machine. To resolve this issue, we have the project I have taken up for installation of one gear oil storage tank, which will automatically deliver the oil to the machine instead of manually. The tank will, the oil will storage to tank from the truck and then tank to machine. This is the basic theory. I have applied project management system and flexible manufacturing and manufacturing technology to execute my project. The project cost was around 0.75 crore. The project has been implemented and it takes 7 months. The challenges for this project was time period and fast thought. Okay, within 7 months the project has been completed, and the fast thought also it has been okayed. The project is now live. The payback has been calculated for the 3.5 years. The result will be affected after 3.5 years. The manpower, we have saved the manpower. We have done the safety concern also removed. Now it is very good project, and production is already doing. I thank to Tata Motors and Pilani. They have provided me the opportunity for this B.Tech engineering. I have learned really a lot. Although it was initially very difficult for me, but I have completed my Pilani courses. This course helps me to execute my current project. Recently, the project has came up 12 Forza vehicle. Under this project, 12.5 lift test has to be produced in a very short time. I have myself and my team, department team, has been nominated for this execute the project. There is subject in my course. There is subject in my course, project management and manufacturing excellence. I really apply this course to my current project. Since the project has to be completed very short period, so I calculate the critical path analysis, payback period, and this I learned from my courses. And this course also helped me to increase my internal technical knowledge, my confidence. I build my managerial skill also. So I find out finally that this course is very, very good for everyone, and I thank to Tata Motors and Pilani for providing me the opportunity.